I feel like this week was a lot of shopping.
It was a lot of shopping, but sometimes you have to spend a little money to finish a few projects.
Yep, and well, we had a lot of little loose ends. We needed a little bit of this, we needed to run to the hardware store for that, we needed a rug. We had some lights that needed replaced. The new light is hung up and definitely bright. That didn't work out. I had to take those back and return them.
It's a true story. We started out at IKEA. We got everything we needed for the laundry room and a few other projects. Then next on the agenda was Wednesday. We did our live video and we made over mirrors. You always want to make sure that you're including that cost in there. So every mirror is going to differ. The smaller ones are probably going to be somewhere in the $40 range. But the larger mirrors that I do with transfers, I sell between 90 and 100 for the large transfer mirrors.
All right, so this has not been distressed and it's still wet.
But Zeb's going to show you.
I just painted it, but this is the frame that goes around that.
And we're gonna wet distress it and the gold will come back through. There you go. Boom, baby.
Yeah, see that good? It was worth all the effort.
It turned out really cool. We'll let it dry. We'll probably lightly distress it to make it look a little bit more aged. And then we'll seal it.
All right, next project.
We were going to make over some more, but somehow we got distracted by a marathon watching of The Grimm.
You know, we don't take very many days off. We usually work Monday through Saturday all day long and late into the evening sometimes. So, you know, taking a random Wednesday afternoon off, I feel like that's okay.
We have no video footage of that, but that's what we were doing. We watched TV all Wednesday afternoon and evening.
There was some light furniture refinishing. We finished the mirrors Wednesday afternoon.
We did a little binge watching, like watch a little TV, pause it, go paint something, then go back and watch TV while it dries. It works out really well. I mean, you have to do something while the paint's drying, right?
Yeah.
Thursday we finished up the laundry room. All the cabinets got painted, all the touch-up was done. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is painting these cabinets. I'm going to remove all the hardware. I'm going to unscrew the drawer fronts from the drawer bases and take the cabinet doors off. Those will all be sprayed, and then I will brush the bases. While the doors and drawers are drying, I am gonna go ahead and get these bases painted. I've cleaned them and they're ready for paint. I did turn on my vent so I could do a little bit of shellac because there were a few areas where the original finish was gone, so I wanted to control bleed through. And this really helps. We'll drop a link for this below. When I don't want brush strokes, I like to use the Wooster King 3-inch foam. We'll drop that link as well. I've also got the Insider, which is a detail synthetic brush. And I'm using that just around the edges where this brush cannot get to. I like synthetic because it leaves less brush strokes and not as much texture, which is perfect for when you're doing cabinets. I'm using DIY White Swan. It'll take about 2 coats for full coverage, maybe 3. You're probably wondering why I didn't tape this wall. We are going to be doing a faux brick treatment to this wall, so it will all be covered. I did tape off to separate the tile on the bottom from the kickboard that's underneath, but other than that, no other taping required for this project. So it took me 3 coats to get full coverage on these, and now I'm going to seal it, crossing my fingers I don't get bleed through. I'm also going to be using this same sealer spraying through my spray gun. It's Sweet Pickins Top Coat. It's all natural, no VOC, so I don't have to worry about it making my house stink since I'm doing this inside the house. It's also super durable and easy to wipe. I'm using a Worcester foam brush. I suggest not using the same brush that you painted with because it can contaminate and have paint flecks in it. I am using the same brush that I painted with, so shh, don't tell anybody. We did some last minute shopping at the Hobby Lobby.
Yes, that place.
Don't pretend like there's not things there that you like.
Oh, they've got great stuff. So we are off at the Hobby Lobby. They have 50% off wall decor, and we were going to put a long rod to hang things on, but we found this for the laundry room, and it's got hooks on the bottom.
Well, let's see if I can get this to shut. And it's got hooks for like bras and bathing suits and stuff, so I think that'll work.
How much is it, 50% off?
It's $30 after the discount, so
Sweet.
the price is right.
That'll be cool. I'll hang that today. Wait for it. We were walking by and we found this that we like better that also has hooks on the bottom.
Do you know the price on this one?
I don't see the price. I can't imagine.
It's $149.99.
Oh no, that's way more. But look, we're getting these cool baskets, these cool tin baskets and organization.
Well, I wonder if they'll give us a little bit more off.
They'll give us a discount because it's got some dings and dents, which is what we like anyway. Don't tell them, don't tell them.
I actually don't really love the ding in the front, but...
Oh, you just throw a little wax on there and it's done, it's fixed.
All right, perfect.
Should we get one of these while we're at it for above the dryer, like right there by the light switch? Just for throwing stuff in there?
No, because we were gonna put dryer lint in that, and I'm not about that.
Oh yeah, the kids will throw stuff in there that's trash.
Like solid? Do they have anything solid?
I don't see anything solid. Oh, there's that. That's like a mailbox. Can you line it with a baggie?
No, I don't think you can.
No.
I don't think you're lining out with a baggie. I'm gonna pass on that one.
We can't make a trip to Hobby Lobby without getting lambs here.
I need some flowers for some jugs for the shop, so I'm gonna get them while they're on.
Are those like your peonies? Is that what those are?
Yeah, these are peonies, and they're $6.99 each.
So that makes them $3.50 a piece?
Yeah, but I'm not buying those. I'm buying these. They're cute. I'm doing 3 of these ones and then adding that. And they're gonna go in jugs. Yeah, I'm down here. Even at half off, this is $25. I'm gonna pass.
It's got the little bird on it, but for 25 bucks, we can't do it.
Make something myself. I can't do that.
What about these? These are believably real, right?
Mm-hmm. How big is it compared to your forearm? It's a big flower. Once we finished up the laundry room, then we took Friday and did a little thrift therapy. So we're gonna call it thrift therapy.
Thrift therapy. Was it therapy? It's all still in the truck.
It's okay. We'll show everybody on our Saturday Night Live, and we'll probably hit the thrift store one more time before we do that. That reminds me, I gotta go pick up a dresser.
Oh yeah. Go get your dresser.
Maybe I'll accidentally...
It's not raining anymore.
Maybe I'll accidentally get a pedicure. It's a good idea.
I don't think that's how that works.
Anyways, thrifting was good. We've got a dresser. It was a great week. So I'm having a little bit of a struggle today. We are trying to be a little bit more selective with what we pick because I have a style in mind. I'm gonna be completely revamping my shop over the next few weeks. I even have a sale coming up where I'm gonna do 50% off on a lot of stuff. So I just wanna make sure that things that we pick are things that I really love and will meet my new style criteria.
That's big. Would that work for the new style? Is it resin? $4? Yeah. So what's so different about that one that you wouldn't get that one?
It's like only $1 less. It's way smaller, and I just don't love the leaf on there.
Okay.
I don't know. You want to be shishi French?
No, I'm not ready for that yet.
You're not?
Maybe French country.
Well, always French country. Look at this giant.
That is a big birdhouse.
With this OEM like weird painted?
No, Distress is actually really cool. It gives it a lot of texture. Not for $10. We still got to do a lot of finishing on it. Someone loved their shop project.
Yeah, they loved it so much they took it to the museum. All right.
So we found one thing so far.
All right, so this is huge. It's $10, and I actually think it'd be a really cool garden piece, and I would probably sell it for about 40-ish. So I think this is a good one.
All right, put it in.
Okay, so this one I actually love. It's $15, but it's actually molded. It's beautiful, and I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm just gonna sell it as is. $5, easy to paint, super cute.
Tons of detail on that one.
The detail on this is gorgeous. This one's only $10 and the frame is worth that much, so we're gonna take this one too. This one I love, shade. I think it needs a black paint job, but it's pretty cute for $12. The price is right. Pretty easy to paint. We'll just put the spray gun on it. All right, so we found another $15 mirror. The frame is really pretty. I think I will repaint this one, but it's pretty old too, so I'm gonna go with it. Also, I love this basket, $4. I'm not gonna do anything to it because the patina and the color's just right. It'll sell for about $20. That's a good profit. If it could ever stop raining, we might be able to finish painting the stuff in the garage. We could paint in the garage, but I just want to pull it all out.
It's much better if you can just like throw it all on some tarps in the driveway, and then you load up the spray gun, and 20 minutes later you've painted 8 dressers and a couch, and we don't paint couches.
I don't think we've ever painted a couch yet, have we?
No, we haven't. Just a chair.
Thanks for following along with us on this week's vlog. Make sure you hit that notification and the bell because we go live on Wednesdays at 10:30 Utah time in the morning, and then on Saturday you get to see our thrift hauls Saturday night at 8:30 Utah time. You don't want to miss those. Don't forget to go to jamiray.vintage.com for the paint and products used here today. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.